We should do space commando. What? You can
Do what?
learn
Oh, Space Commander.
pilot commando. What do they call it?
Right. Oh, are we being shot at? I can't see anybody. There. Oh, they're on the other side. I'm gonna turn around.
Oh, where the hell are they at?
Behind us.
I'm just gonna do 3 runs all day.
That'll work.
Oh, there you are. Oh, range is 2,500.
Okay. I don't think I'm even hitting him.
Try to keep them to my right.
Oh shit. Gyro mode? What does that mean? There we go. Ah! Get out of my distance, my range. There he is.
What a tank, anyways.
Yeah. I don't even think we're taking real damage.
No.
800 meters, there we go. Am I hitting them? Can't even tell.
Possibly. Let's get closer.
Oh, yeah, I'm hitting them.
Where's he going?
He's going, he's going. Keep doing what you're doing. You're doing great. That one's taking hella damage. He's about to begin.
Yeah, I see him. He's on fire. Escape.
What'd you say?
Trying to escape. Let him. We're getting close.
Perfect. We're hitting him. I'm trying to lead his ship, so I hit it. I think I'm doing it because it's blue.
I do see like bullets ricocheting off the ship. Oh, shit.
I'm definitely hitting him. Goddamn.
Then this,
What'd you say?
I think that's a cutlass. Cutlass of.
Wish we had missiles, dude. Yeah. What? I'm definitely hitting him. I don't know why he's not dying yet.
Yeah.
There, damaged. Blow up, bitch.
Ooh!
One down. Where's this other one? Oh, dude,
Right.
we got hella crime stat too. Don't let that other prisoner ship get away either. I know how to reset our criminals. Do you have a crypto key?
Yeah, I think so.
Because if you have a crypto key, we can reset our crime stat.
Yeah, we should just chill and see if anybody's trying to jump us. Like any real players.
Real players got missiles and shit, dude. God, I'm hitting this fucking bitch. Die. I think I'm getting good at this gunning thing. What do you think? Am I hitting him?
Yeah. Shield. I think he's down, that's why. He's down right now.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Nah,
dead. Let's go get that prisoner transport. Fuck yeah. The first time I ever beat that, yeah. So I think we have to board it, right? Let me check the mission. I think we have to board it and do something. The price of freedom. Revive. Yeah, we have to get in there and revive Emmanuel Moline, Cabrero, Namir, Parker, and travel. Yeah. Okay. Fuck yeah, dude. Good job. Should we shoot it? And disable it? Or is it already disabled?
for sure.
Yeah, it's disabled. It's not moving.
Yeah.
Right here. Just point the front of the ship at it, because that's where our opening is. Or the back of the ship, or is it the front? I think it's the front. Damn, good teamwork, Sniff.
Oh yeah.
You're a good pilot, bro.
I'll just put him in my crosshair. Yo, where's he at?
Alright. Alright, where's a good entry point into the ship?
Really the bottom, right? Yeah.
I'm looking too, I don't see anything. There's an elevator bay. If there's a side door, that'd be great.
So we're supposed to open that?
Yeah, let's just go try it. Fuck it. Go ahead and park here. Where are you at? Oh, you're in the bridge, right? Let me pull up my gun. Damn, dude. This is my first time in this place.
Me too. That's a caterpillar. I have one of those. That's just sick.
Oh, you do? They said it's like the best ship. Is it a gunship?
Cargo ship.
It's a what?
Cargo ship.
Oh, cargo ship? Shit, I'm down to smuggle too, dude. Oh, see, your ship disappeared. Dude, the hammerhead disappeared.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Dude, we got a crime stat. If we die, we're going to prison.
Stole our shit.
Oh wait, we opened something. Where are you?
In the bottom.
Oh, I just tried to open it. It didn't open. Alright, cool. Let's try it. Oh shit.
Oh, we gotta push a button.
Ah, shit. Here, hopefully we don't die. Did you press the button? Oh, nice.
You just gotta stay level.
There we go. Oh no, Stiff, you're gonna get crushed.
Alright. Do what you gotta do in the. Oh, there's security forces.
What?
Security force.
Like people are coming in or what?
Inside there.
Oh. You coming in, Stiff?
Yeah. I'ma load that.
Okay. clear the surrounding area. Hopefully they'll die.
I know this area well because I have a ship.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna wait for you then.
I hope I don't die.
You were like glitching all over the place, but now you're here.
Alright.
There's nobody over here. Or over here. We have to revive some people. Is there like a cryo bay or something?
Download Prisoner Manifest. Alright, let's go to the
Bridge. Alright.
hold on, it's right there.
Are you wearing armor? Because it doesn't look like. Oh, you are. Okay. You're just wearing a red suit. I don't see anybody. There's nobody in the turret.
Alright, I'm gonna download this. Yo, watch my back. You never know.
I got you. Oh, there's a ladder over here, dude. Oh shit. No, don't go up the ladder. Oh, where's my gun? Cool. Now we have to revive the correct prisoners and kill the security forces. And then I guess somehow manage to find our way out of here. I guess the ladder? You want me to go up first? You got it. Got it. Dude, that hammerhead's the best. What's my gun? Clear. This is the engineering room. It's clear. 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 Another ladder. What you got over here?
Oh!
I got you, bro. Don't worry about that. That dude was waiting for you. Oh, there's a security guy here at the bottom right in the bay.
Alright, you got him.
I think I might be able to. Damn, things in the way. Another down. I don't see anybody else down there. Oh shit.
Yo, I think we should. Alright, come
I
on.
think we should clear the ship before we try to. There's another guy down here.
Oops.
Oh damn. This is like air walking outside. There's another guy down here. He's down. Thanks, Sniff. I'm getting all the kills. You gonna come? There's one right here. Ooh, he's wearing heavy armor.
Yeah. Oh shit.
There's probably another. I don't see anybody. Oh, there's one right here. He's dead.
Oh shit. What am I doing?
What are you doing? You glitching?
Oh.
Can't afford any more glitches, bro. Oh, this is a turret. So we can come down and climb down now. Here, I'll cover you from up here. You go down and I'll follow. I don't see anything. I got that door covered. Alright, I'm coming down.
Alright.
Oh, where's my gun? Alright.
I'll open it.
There's a secondary door. There's three in there.
No! I got popped.
You did?
Yeah. I saw both of them.
There's three of them in there.
I recorded that section though. Oh, I'm in prison.
Oh, dude, I'll come bail you out. Oh wait, no, you gotta escape first.
Yeah, try to beat that.
There's one more here.
Alright. I saved that.
Nice. I'm not seeing anybody else. I know there's one more here. They're probably gonna pop up and kill me. Oh, there's like another spaceport thing.
See a screen.
Dang, man. We almost made a perfect mission. How long is your prison time?
4 hours.
Ah, shit. Oh, no!
He's right there, right there.
No,
Oh.
I'm dead. That dude surprised me.
I didn't. He was scared. He knew it would come.
9 out of 10 too. Fuck.
That was fun though. I'm not gonna lie.
Hella fun.
That was the best one.
Hella good. You want to try to escape or you want to?
Oh yeah, let's try to go.
We're gonna have to have some. Oh, 11 and a half hours, dude. All right, you ready?
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna take a piss first.
Yeah. I wonder if I can save that.